Hey, we just finished two detailed tours in here, and we're still at the 23, and now we're going to go into the bedroom and bathroom. So what I like about this is a much more private bedroom. So you've got the public over here and a congregating area, and you'd have a lot of fun over there. But then you have a real private bedroom area over here. So you do have a nice window that's here, but it's private. It's all good. And it's a beautiful space. It's very big. You can easily fit that queen or king bed in here, no problem. This is the closet. This is what the closet looks like. It's nice. It's got some good shelves up there. Ooh, I like this. Okay, it's got kind of a shoe shelf. So you can it's slanted, so you can get your shoes on there. That's really, really cool. I'm gonna go into the bathroom, and the bathroom is cool. It has a dual sink, and then beautiful flooring. It's really nice tile flooring. And then you can see what it looks like over here. So anyway, this is a sliding door here too, so I like that. It's very stylish. You can have this also easily for guests because you can just close this off, and same over here. So this is what this looks like, y'all. What do y'all think about this? Give me some feedback. Send me a text and say, hey, this is what I think about it. I like this, or I need something a little different. Whatever you think, I'd love to know. Send me a text on the number that you see below, and I can't wait to hear your feedback on it. If you like the video, also go ahead and like it on YouTube. And by the way, we're just about to see one more. We're going to actually see the model at the 23. So we're going to see one more. So stay tuned. You're going to see that shortly.